Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the CapCut template sound to your own voice. So in here, you just need to select or choose the template that you want to use and just click on the use template, and here add your photos or videos into the templates. So I need to add 4 photos into the template. Okay, after that just click on next, and this is the preview of the templates. Now you can just export this to save it to your gallery. Okay, after this you just need to open it in a new project. So in here you can see I've already opened it in a new project, and currently this template is using the song or sound from the creator. And to add your own voice, you can just mute the clip first, then click on the add audio options and select record. Now you can just tap or press the microphone and record your voice to the template. When you're done, just click on the microphone again, click on the check icon, and this is the result. Record your voice. You can see now the template is now comes with my voice. So you can just export this project and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.